In this video, we're going to be working on a Pixel 4 XL that came in for a damaged battery connector. We'll read what the customer wrote. Customer only mailed the motherboard, and he also mailed 2 FPC connectors inside this bag here. And that's a good thing because we do not carry the FPC connectors for the 4 XL. We never had to change the battery connector on this phone, ever. So this is the first time we're going to be changing the connector on this phone, but let's read what the customer wrote. Battery connector broke inside the FPC connector. The phone started with random shutdowns and question mark inside a battery logo. After we dropped, the phone will not do a full boot. Took the phone to U-Break iFix. They explained and told me they don't have the equipment to fix it. Let's take a look at the battery connector area of the phone. The battery connector is clearly damaged. So how do we go about desoldering this connector? This is a plastic FPC connector. And can we heat up from the bottom? It's going to be difficult to heat up from the bottom because we have to desolder this plate. And we do not know what's under. And I do not want to do that. So we're going to replace the connector by heating up from the top. And we're going to be as careful as possible. And the job is done. The customer also mailed over a video card. I do not know if we're going to be able to get to it today, but we'll see. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.